So this morning I'm just wandering around the Madinat Jumeirah, which is like this area that's surrounded by 5 luxury hotels, including the one behind me, which is the Burj Al Arab, which is a very famous sail-shaped hotel that you see whenever you see pictures of Dubai. And it's a nice day to be here. There's a lot of inside souk area where there's air-conditioned shops when it gets super unbearable hot, which it is almost the whole time. And there's places to get coffee, which I think I'm gonna do, and just, you know, look around. To JBR Beach. It's a very hot day and the sand is super hot, but the water is cool and refreshing. I thought it might be hot too, honestly, because it's just so hot here. And there are a ton of people out because it's definitely beach weather. So right now I'm at the JBR Beach, and JBR just stands for Jumeirah Beach Residence. This whole area I've heard called JBR, so I think just this area along the shore, sort of south of downtown, is JBR as well. But this beach I came to because it seemed like a nice beach with different resources, which it does. It has showers that are pay showers for a minute and a half, 5 dirham, which is like $1.25 for a minute and a half, not bad. And they have changing rooms and different shops along the way you can buy food and things from. So I've come to this place called Seven Sands on the JBR Beach, and it's known for Emirati food. But the thing I ordered that is going to be interesting is the camel burger, continuing my camel tasting from the camel milk I had yesterday, and today I'm going to try the camel burger. I don't know if it's traditional Emirati food or just tourist food, but I am interested to see what it tastes like, and they had it on the menu, so that's what we're going to try today. So I'm excited to try this because, of course, I've never had a camel burger before, but it has a lot of sauce from the grilled onions. It looks really good, actually. The meat is a little light colored compared to normal burger meat. For my first camel burger, it's pretty good. Like, the burger itself is really well done. There's like onions in it that are cooked to perfection, and the meat is really well seasoned. It has little red things in it. But I want to tell you what the camel meat itself tastes like, because I'm sure that's what you're most curious about. It doesn't taste exactly like beef, although if I hadn't known it was a camel burger, I would have thought it was beef, but it has sort of a distinct sort of quality to it that reminds me of other sort of rare meats that I've had, like ostrich. It's not that far from ostrich. I guess maybe it's a gamey flavor, although the meat is very soft, maybe because it's ground. If it were just the meat by itself, I may not enjoy it as much, but in the burger it's very well done. Interesting. I don't think I'll eat a lot of camel in the future, but I'm glad I tried it. So you know what the flavor kind of reminds me of? So when I went to Sharm el Sheikh with Ahmed, which is a video you can see either here or here, We went on a boat trip out to Ras Mohammed, and we had some food there on the boat, including some kofta. And the kofta had a very strange flavor to it. You know, now that I think about it, the taste is actually very similar to camel. So maybe we were eating camel kofta that time and we didn't even know it. The food also came with fries and this very interesting spicy tomato paste that tastes very good. Has a very light taste even though it's really spicy. Dubai is definitely the place for you. And in addition to the Dubai Mall, which has the Burj Khalifa, an ice skating rink, dinosaur bones, we also have the Mall of the Emirates, and that has a ski hill in addition to who knows what else. I just got here. So I'm headed to the ski entrance, even though I'm not planning on skiing, because that's where I'm going to meet my friend Nenya. We haven't checked the prices, but she thinks skiing is too expensive.
Well, we're living in a country where it's like 100 degrees outside. And the cost of electricity is really, really high. So
you're making a lot of sense. Well, let's check it out anyways. They have a big window over here. They have these big balls that people get inside and they roll it down the hill and they're like rolling around in the ball. And they have sledding, it looks like, for the little kids. So it's a big, like, snow-filled wonderland. Actually looks kind of fun. So this mall seems to be a lot smaller than the Dubai Mall. Maybe not a lot, but smaller. I like the Dubai Mall better. Maybe it's because it's super crowded though, I hate it. Because today's Friday, which is sort of like a Saturday here. Ready to go, Nenya? Did you find what you were looking for?
No, but it's okay. I'll take one.
Our final Jumeirah destination was on the Palm Jumeirah, which is a man-made island in the shape of a palm tree. We're currently on the Palm, which is there's Nenya, and we came to a place called Sofitel, and we're gonna have a nice relaxing day at the spa. We got a group on, so it's not as expensive as it would be, and we're very excited. So right now we're in this outside area that is both male and female, and they have an infinity pool and places to relax with umbrellas, and then in the female section they have a steam room, a sauna, a room temperature pool with like shower, sort of back massage water flow, and they have the treatment rooms, and they have a huge jacuzzi and a plunge pool. So right now we're just enjoying the sun from the safety of the shade and swimming a little before our massage treatment.